Sara, where do toys come from? Maybe they grow somewhere? Like magic trees? Maybe toys fly from the sky. Or robots make them.
Let me show you the real journey.
Wow, a talking robot! This is exciting! Every toy starts as an idea.
We imagine first, then design.
It's just drawings at first?
Yes, creativity begins here.
It turned into 3D.
Now we test shapes digitally.
Welcome to the toy factory. It's huge.
We create molds for toys.
Like cookie cutters. It became liquid.
Yes, melted plastic.
It's filling the shape.
Exactly.
Wow, it's a teddy bear!
The process is complete.
It's solid now.
Cooling makes it strong.
Colors bring toys to life.
So colorful.
We test every toy.
Safety first.
Now in boxes. Ready for stores.
Toys travel worldwide.
All over the world.
I see my toy. It's here.
From idea to reality. Science is amazing.
I want to design toys.